Hey guys, what's going on? So if you watched my last video, you've seen that I took the wheels out of the RoboVac 11s. So this is a Eufy 11s. And in this video, we're going to remove the front bumper. And the reason we're going to remove the front bumper is in case it gets damaged. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove those. I do not suggest using power tools on these screws on this robot. They do seem like they will strip out very, very easily if you have the wrong attachment tip on there. So your bits need to be the right size if you're going to use a drill and have enough pressure. So I advise using hand tools. Of course, no offense to any of y'all, but most people that are going to be doing this repair will be doing it with hand tools anyway, so they don't break anything out of common sense. If you're using power tools and you've never taken one of these apart, you could really damage it. Alright, so we're going to be taking the front bumper off. Now, if you've ever taken apart a different robot like a Shark Ion or a Shark IQ, this is a very similar process for all the parts. A little bit different, but very similar. So, take those 8 out, grab the corners, and these 2 pieces will pop off. Now you can lift the robot up, and this front piece will just slide right off. There is a ribbon cable. Well, I wouldn't say ribbon cable, but a cable. Since this one's not like... These are more ribbon cables because they're all they're all connected together. This is just... It's like a 6-pin connector. Rock it back and forth, and that's going to come off. Now inside here you have some sensors, which you can pop this front plate off by going in the corner, popping it off, and then cleaning those sensors. But generally those aren't an issue. You can clean the outside and be fine. But thanks for watching, guys. That's how to remove the front. These are your 2 tension tabs. Those 2 are going to be what fail, so if it bends, you can just bend it back. And then you have your 2 proximity switches that when they're you're on off or open close switches actually. So when these hit something, they close a circuit, and when they close it, it sends a signal to the brain, hey, move, and the motherboard and the computer inside will tell it to back up or turn depending on how hard it hits and what it hits. But thanks for watching, guys. Also, remember there are sensors on the sides of this robot, so you need to clean those when you're in here as well. If you have any more questions, definitely check out the other videos. We're going to keep tearing this robot down until we get all the way to the bottom.